Here's a guide to installing a hardline gas connection to your linear crafted Lumacast fire feature. Here are the items that you'll need: a cutting tool such as an X-Acto knife, safety gloves, crescent wrench, and an ignition wand. With at least 2 capable people applying correct lifting techniques, use the integrated handholds located around the fire feature's toe kick to lift and carry your Lumacast fire feature and gently lower it into position so that the gas hardline is situated within the base. Some of our linear fire features can weigh up to 550 pounds or roughly 250 kilograms and will need additional people. So please plan accordingly to safely move your fire feature. Using your cutting tool, remove the protective outer layers of plastic wrap and styrofoam from the fire feature. Going to the hardline gas valve, attach your gas line hose, hand tighten the connection, and finish tightening with a crescent wrench, being careful not to strip the threading. Then, locating your T-valve on your fire feature, connect the hose to one end of the threading, hand tightening at first, then finish tightening with a crescent wrench. Then, with your second gas line hose, connect it to the other end of the T-valve. Hand tighten, then finish off tightening with a crescent wrench. Bring your fire burner system to the fire feature and tilt it to carefully rest on the fire burner area's opening lip. Thread the open-ended gas hose to the connection on the bottom of your fire burner pan. Hand tighten, then finish off tightening with a crescent wrench. If your gas line is in the closed position, you can now fully open your gas line. Lower the connected burner system securely into place on your fire feature. To test the connection, locate the valve on your fire feature and insert your fire feature valve key. Using your ignition wand, ignite it on the closest fire burner nozzle to you. Then, turn your valve key slowly counterclockwise, opening the flow of gas. When you see ignition, remove your wand and open the gas flow more until the fire burner system is fully ignited. You can now adjust your flame to the desired amount. After the test, turn your valve key clockwise to close the flow of gas to your burner system. You're now ready to install your infill media and enjoy your Lumacast fire feature. If you have any further questions, please call during normal business hours or email us at any time. Thanks for watching.